Dressing an immobile user in bed can be challenging. Mastercare has a solution that is easy to use for everyone. Start by placing a basic slide sheet under the user. For a gentle and easy placement, fold the basic sheet all the way down and push it under the heel. And unfold it under the user, up past the hip area. Now we can use the Dressmaster. Put the Dressmaster over the foot and gently slide up the leg. Push the collar under the hip. And when the legs are covered, you can get the pants. Slide the pants over the Dressmaster and pull it until the feet are free. Release any pressure against the feet and pull out the straps just a bit. Continue sliding the pants upwards. If the pants are tight, then push a bit into the mattress. And make sure that no folds are pressuring against the back. After placement, you can close the pants. Now simply pull the straps alternately and gently remove the Dressmaster. To reset the Dressmaster, simply grab the strap on the foot end and let gravity do the rest. The Dressmaster can help remove the pants as well. Fold the edge of the pants over the Dressmaster and slide the pants off. If you want more information on the Dressmaster, go to mastercare.dk or call us. We're here to help you.